Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today we're here to look at the smartwatch app for the Lexus. It's getting a bit chilly here in Toronto, and it's starting to be, right now when I'm filming this, it's 1 degrees, and it's getting a little bit hard to just show my arm with my smartwatch. So I'm going to record this as soon as I could, and hopefully people don't see me shivering, and let's see how that goes. All right, so we all know that there's a mobile app, but not everybody knows that there's a smartwatch app available so that you can actually use your smartwatch to start your vehicle or do certain things with the Lexus. So right now I have, let me see, is it easy? Maybe I could just have to take it off. So I have a Samsung Watch 5 Pro. Okay, so I will swipe up and you can see that I have a Lexus app here. So you can see that the Lexus app has now launched. I have remote, I have vehicle status, so if I click on it, so it shows that I have 404 kilometers of range, no status issues, and really that's it. Let's go back. So it also shows the last parked location. So if I go to remote, you can see my cars here. It says start, stop, lock, unlock. So all the features that you have as part of the Lexus app. So let me just try here and say lock. Okay, so let me go here. Gets a little bit hard to use. Unlock. Okay. Start. Okay, so now we'll start. So you can hear it starting. Stop. Alright, so you can see that there's the convenience of the watch, but it's similar to what the app does on the phone. Okay, It's got a little bit too chilly out there, so I'm just gone indoors to show what the Apple Watch looks like. So I have an older Apple Watch here, but it's the same with the newer watches. So you can see here there's the Lexus app. So once it launches, you can also do the exact same remote settings: start, stop, lock, unlock, hazard lights, turn on the lights, horn, buzzer, trunk lock, and unlock. Then you can scroll over. You can also see here it's 404 kilometers range left with the gas, and you can see it's 95% battery charged. It also shows there's no status issues, and it also shows the tire pressure, something that you don't see on the Android watches. So it says the tire pressure is good. And then when you scroll over, it actually would show where is your last location that you last parked. So first we will look at the Android ecosystem. We launched the Google Play Store app and we searched for Lexus. And now you can see that if you have a smartphone that is compatible, you would see that there is this available on more devices. You will be able to install it from there, or you could go to the Lexus app screen and install it from there. So while it installs, we will probably look at the smartwatches that are supported in this Android ecosystem. We know definitely that the Samsung Watch 5, the 5 Pro, the Google Pixel Watch, the TicWatch Pro 3, and many watches that support Wear OS. Unfortunately, I don't know what is the minimal requirement for this to work, but I would say that if you have a watch that supports Wear OS 3.0 and above, I believe that will work. So as we wait for it to install, it actually said it's finished installing. So now you can see it says installed on device. Then when we look into the details, we're going to go into the what's new section, and we scroll all the way down, you would see that it says what's compatible. And it does say here, it says Android 8.0 and above, but not recognizing what Wear OS version it supports. So now we move over to Apple. We launched the Watch app, and now we can see here it says My Apple Watch. We scroll all the way down, and if you have the Lexus app installed, you will see Lexus. You press install, and you wait. After it's installed, you would actually see it in the list of software that is installed. So one of the weaknesses of Lexus is, I would say, their software app. Their mobile app is just not at par to other manufacturers. And when you look at the smartwatches, you look at the Apple Watch, it actually does give you some good functionality. You can use the remote connect, you can see your status, you can see your tire pressure, you can see the battery of my PHEV. That's all great, and you can see where you last parked. So that does give you some great information. Then I move on to the Android ecosystem. I launched it, and you can see that in this vehicle status, I don't get to see my tire pressure. I don't see how much EV range I have. I only see how much range I have, and everything is good. It seems lacking a bit when you can see that the iOS version, the Apple Watch version, shows more information. I'm hoping that Lexus will bring more to us with the smartphones, and hopefully they fix that digital key issue with especially the Android side of it. Until next time, I'll talk to you again. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, and share this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that alert button to get notified when new videos are posted. If you'd like to support the channel, you can definitely provide a super thanks. I'll see you guys again next time in the next video.